Looking for pumpkin recipes for this fall? Well, check out this pumpkin lasagna. Guys, you'll be serving dinner in no time and the family will enjoy. So here we're jumping straight into the video, and first thing we have our lasagna shells. We have our pumpkin, we have cheese, we have ricotta cheese, and we have Parmesan cheese, Gouda cheese. This is onion and garlic, and we have some herbs and spice at the back. We have garlic powder, nutmeg, salt, smoked paprika, black pepper, we have rosemary and thyme. We're also going to need some butter, milk, and flour to make our roux, but I'll put the full list of all the ingredients used in the page coming up. So welcome back to the channel, guys. To my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Yes, I do. And for those coming for the first time, welcome. Please make it official, tap the subscribe button, turn the bell on for future uploads. So continue watching, guys, and I'll come back further on in the video. This video is a pretty much self-explanatory video, but I'll come back when there are certain points to be explained. And here is a list of all the ingredients used. To saute the pumpkin, we're going to add all our spices and herbs and lower our flame and just allow this to steam until it's completely cooked. So just continue watching, guys. And now we're going to make our roux. Key points when making roux: you use equal amount of butter and flour. And when it comes to a sun-like texture as this, here I pause it for you guys. Now you're going to add your warm milk, not boiling milk, just warm. And you're going to add the milk in small portion until this thicken and we have a nice thick creamy sauce. And then you can add your nutmeg and spices of your choice to give it the taste that you're looking for. So just continue watching, guys. That was just a pointer there. For this step that I've done just now, you can totally skip it and just add your white sauce and your saute pumpkin in between your lasagna, but I'm changing up things, hence I mix it with the white sauce. So now let's arrange this lasagna. So here I have my glass container. I'm going to put some of the pumpkin base at the bottom. Then we're going to add lasagna shells, more of the bechamel pumpkin mix as we did at the bottom. And we're going to put cheese and some of our pumpkin cubes, and we're going to repeat that until all our filling completely finish. And then we put it aside so we can work on the cream for the top so we can start baking this. So continue watching, guys. Okay, for the remaining bechamel sauce that we had, we're going to combine the ricotta cheese, some of our Gouda cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Pour this on top of our lasagna and put to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Then we take it from the oven, add the remaining cheese, and allow that to melt, maybe like 5-7 minutes depending on your oven, and then it's time to serve. So continue watching, guys, and I'll come back when this is finished. So here you have it, guys, our pumpkin lasagna fresh from the oven. But a key point, please allow this to cool down for a couple of minutes before cutting for you to get your nice slice. And here is it, guys. This was so creamy and tasty. This is a must try, guys. Really, you have to try this one and come back and tell me how it was. As you see, look in the bowl, it's actually finished before it could cool down. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe for more. And to my returning supporters, thank you guys so much for the continuous support. So let's get this one, guys. On to the next video. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.